Hey there, Prius owners! Thinking about replacing your hybrid battery yourself? It's a challenging but doable project if you're up for it. Let's break it down step by step. First up, safety. Dealing with high-voltage batteries is risky. Always wear high-voltage insulated gloves, safety glasses, and use insulated tools. Park on a level surface. Engage the parking brake and turn off the ignition. Disconnect the 12V auxiliary battery in the trunk, starting with the negative terminal. Next, remove the high-voltage service plug. It's typically bright orange and found in the trunk near the hybrid battery. Wait at least 10 minutes for the system to de-energize. Use a voltage meter to ensure no residual voltage remains. Now let's access the hybrid battery. Remove the rear interior trim, including the cargo area floor and side panels. Disconnect all wiring harnesses and vent hoses, labeling them for reassembly. Time to disconnect the battery. Carefully handle the thick orange high-voltage cables with insulated tools. Remove all mounting bolts and brackets securing the battery. Get some help to lift out the old battery. It's heavy. Inspect the new battery for any damage before installation. If your old battery had a cooling fan filter, clean or replace it. Carefully position the new battery with assistance and secure it with mounting bolts and brackets. Reconnect all wiring harnesses and vent hoses. Reassemble the vehicle by replacing the trim panels, reinstalling the high-voltage service plug, and reconnecting the 12V auxiliary battery. Finally, start the Prius and check for any warning lights. Take it for a short test drive to ensure everything's working correctly. Remember, always consult your repair manual, and if at any point you feel unsure, seek professional help. Stay safe and happy driving.